Hello everyone, in today's video we have Tecno Pova Curve 5G model 8J8K. I'm going to show you how to bypass, unlock and remove FRP, and mind you that this method also works on all Tecnos which support Android 15. Then first we need to connect to Wi-Fi. I will fast forward the video to make it short. As you can see here, it means I've forgotten my pattern and even my Google account. As you can see here, in this case, we are going to use a SIM card with a pin. As you can see here, just remove a SIM card. Squeeze it to left side and click on settings symbol. More settings, notification style, security warnings, sounds, add ringtones. Click on the three line on the top left corner. Press and hold on drive. Click on the three dots on top right corner and send feedback. Here we are going to click on legal help. Click on YouTube. Allow it. Three dots on top right corner. Settings. Accessibility. Accessibility player. Hide player controls. Device settings. Right away, it will take you to accessibility. Accessibility menu, activate a shortcut. Click on it and assistant, choose Google, always, settings, then click on default digital assistance. Settings, default voice assistant, Google, okay. Settings assistant, again, say open Chrome. Right away the Chrome will be opening. And use without an account. No thanks. Here you need to search for perfect mobile solutions.com. Click a first link, perfect mobile solution. Click three lines on top right corner and the FRP tools. Scroll down to dial pad. After here, let's go to our computer. In a computer, go to your browser. If you don't have some FRP tool, go to your browser and look for it, download for free. It's a free, 100% free tool. After download, open it, go to your mobile and introduce your cable. Dial *##49 *#*. This will help us to activate ADB. As you can see, just confirm there and allow it. Then go to computer and click on Android, FRP, remove FRP and choose old mode. You can choose whatever, but in my case I choose old mode. Just wait for the moment and already the FRP will be removed successfully. After the successful remove, the phone will reboot automatically. I will fast forward again this video here to make it short. Please, if you like this video, subscribe, share, and like it. Thanks for watching. See you another video.